Alright, YouTube. Here you go. One of my latest drawings I just did. Just a little character of mine. Just something simple for y'all. Something basic, nothing major. There's a better view of a little Afro man with a blue bandana on. Pretty cool, huh? Well, at least I think so anyway. I just throw the stuff shoot. Endo1, my real name, 2010. That's it. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe on what I do. Yeah, just make sure you comment, rate, subscribe. Tell me what you think about it. Whatever, add me as a friend or whatever. Alright then, YouTube. Have a great day. Peace.